Apparently someone needs to go outside. Oh, or maybe you just want the bells. Do you need to go outside? You need to go outside? All right, let's go outside. You have to drop the bells though. Thank you. Thank you. You ready? Go on out. Oh, it's so bright. So bright. Go out and go potty. No, go out and go potty. Go on. You wanted to go out. Trying to escape. Trying to escape. Now what are we gonna do? Dig? What you doing? Hey, what you doing? Hi. You didn't go potty. You didn't go potty. Were you just fooling me? Were you just fooling? Oh, you're eating something. A rock? And you just swallowed it. Whatever it was. Rats. Okay, I guess we're back in now. Silly.